Hey guys, welcome back to Little Secrets. I'm Aishwarya and today I'll be sharing this pinklicious look with all of you for my summer routine. And this look is only made up with four products from makeup products. So let's see how I've done it. So I have washed my face and it's completely clean. I have applied a rose toner and now I am going to apply the Lakme 925cc cream. It instantly protects, moisturizes, brightens, evens skin tone, conceals and freshens the face. I always dot my base makeup to give it an even coverage. Blend it using fingertips. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Matte Magic All-in-One Press Powder to mattify my full face. Since it's summer and there is a lot of sweat which you have to face, it helps in protecting from the oiliness and keeps you looking fresh almost all day. It has SPF 34 PA+++, which also protects your skin from the harsh sun rays. The best thing that has launched recently by YBP and Shreya Jain is the color creams. Powders tend to flow away or rub off because of extreme sweat and summer conditions, but what will stay all day long are these YBP and Shreya Jain color creams. I am using the shade Mermaid. These color creams are your best friend this summer because they are hassle free and can be worn in three different ways. You can wear it as an eyeshadow which won't budge and stay there and intensifies with blending. As you can see, I am slowly using my fingers to pour and blend the pigment onto my eyelid and it looks perfect. I am using the same shade Mermaid as a blush. Just dab a few light dots because these color creams are way too pigmented. Dab a few dots and blend it with your fingers. The warmth in your fingers would make it easier for the color creams to blend for a longer time. As you do this, it will blend as well as mattify. If you think you've used or put on too much, conceal it with some powder or your CC cream, whichever suits you. The third use that you can get through the color creams is to use it as a moisturizing lip tint. It is perfect for summers, remains matte, and even after long hours leaves a beautiful tint to the lips. Apply it like a lip balm gently and smoothly. Next, I am using the Gigi Hadid and Maybelline collaborated product, which is the dual-ended fiber mascara. This not only lengthens the eyelashes but also adds abundant volume. Apply a coat of mascara to your eyelashes and then apply the fibers. Add another coat of mascara. You will notice a major difference. Your lashes will feel longer and you can see more volume to the lashes. The last product that goes on my face is the color creams again. This time the shade is Goddess and it's a beautiful golden highlighter shade. It can highlight and give a glow to any corner of your face. It completely uplifts the look and the best part is, it is matte. So this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.